Hello, my name is Mitchell Cooper. I wanted to speak to you about today various speeches that being delivered. It's certain speeches that have disadvantages and certain speeches that have advantages. And every speech that we have do have disadvantages and advantages. So I want to speak to you today about various speeches and their disadvantages and advantages. First, I want to talk to you about extemporaneous speaking, delivering, and I hope I said that right. Extemporaneous delivery. The advantage with this, you will use speaking notes. You will thoroughly research your topic, and you can decide how best to organize your ideas. That's the advantage with that. The disadvantage, you will not have a manuscript to read from. And number two, it demands focus and concentration because you will not have a whole manuscript to read from. So you'll just have notes and your main ideas. So it's hard to be able to think of things to say during those times. So you have to have demand, focus, and concentration while doing these. Another speaking way is impromptu speaking. The advantage of delivering this is it's casual. It's off the cuff, and once it's off the cuff, as in someone tell you to get up and speak right then and there, like in a work group meeting or something like that, it's off the cuff. But the disadvantage is no time to prepare. Someone just called you up and said, I need you to speak on this. You have no time to prepare. And one other thing, this is your last option. Your last option to do if you want to do this type of speech. Impromptu. Your last option. Another one is manuscript speaking. Manuscript delivery, the advantage of manuscript delivery, they are carefully prepared. It is designed to be delivered exact. Exact. You cannot do anything. You have to read word from manuscript. It's meant to be read word from word. The disadvantage of manuscript, words must be used carefully, and you have no room to come off the paper. You cannot come off the paper and do anything with manuscript, as in you have to read it word from word. And then another one I want to speak about is memorizing delivery. The advantage of memorizing delivery, no note cards, no papers that you have to handle. It's all in your head. And it's a short 150 words that you have to remember. Some people say 150 words are hard to remember. And that's the disadvantage of memorizing speaking. Disadvantage, you can lose track of your words. If you have nothing to guide you, notes on the paper, a manuscript, anything like that, nothing to guide you, as we get older, as me, we do lose track of words. So these were the ones I wanted to speak to you about, the disadvantages and the advantages of these speeches. And I hope that you learned something from me today. Thank you.